everybody, it's Margot and Paula from My Favorite Quilt Store. How are you doing today, Paula?
I'm good. How are you?
Good, thanks. Hey, we're getting ready to start on this mystery case quilt along. So we're going to be doing it here at our store. And I want to show you, we have two packs. There's the blue pack, that's the Delft pack. And then there's another pack that's called the multi-pack. And inside this is going to be all the fabrics you're going to need to complete this quilt kit, the whole mystery. So that being said, we have these available for sale. So if one of your friends sees you doing this and really wants it, give us a shout out. So every single 2 weeks, you're going to receive via email or to be able to download from our site a pattern that'll show you exactly what you need to do for this particular month. The first one came out July 25th, so it's already out there. So this is the Cathedral Tiles Mystery Piece 1.
Puzzle 1.
Puzzle 1.
Called by puzzles.
Yep, they're all called by puzzles.
Yep.
So some people feel like that, I've seen this comment on 2 or 3 different times, that it's going to look like puzzle pieces. It is not going to look like puzzle pieces. It is cathedral stars, so, cathedral tiles, which is the triangles that look like this that he does so often in a lot of his patterns. First thing that you're going to have to do once you get your pattern and print it out is that you are going to pull the fabrics that are listed. So it does tell you what fabrics are listed right here and how much you're going to cut. So for the first cut, we're going to make, 4 patches? And
from these two. So
from those two.
Yep.
These two are going to be your 4 patches, which is pastel paperweight and blue milford. So these are your 2 fabrics for your 4 patches that you're going to make for this particular round. Okay, so both quilts are going to be exactly the same. One will be in the blue colorway and one will be in the multicolored colorway. That's a question that we've had. And I've also been seeing people have asked questions, can you use your own fabrics? Of course you can use your own fabrics. If you have these fabrics at your house and or you've already owned these fabrics, you can use it, or you can choose your own fabrics to use via multicolor or blue, because they have tried to make this where it's friendly for whatever fabrics you have available also. So even if you didn't buy the fabric pack, you could still...
So like any Kaffe fabric, you think?
Go along.
Probably. There we go.
I definitely think so. And as we go along and we get more of it together, we might be able to figure out some other fabric color choices that would go with it well.
Okay.
So then the second thing that we're going to do is we are going to make half square triangles.
Yeah. You've got to cut. You've got these two. One's a light, one's a dark. I don't know the names of fabrics like
those are blue jumble. This is the cobalt jumble, and this is the blue jumble. And so you'll do those two as
cut squares, and then you just do a diagonal in both directions, and then you start sewing stuff together to look like that picture right there.
The first round is you can cut everything with a regular ruler, straight edge ruler. So there's no specialty rulers that are needed on this first round.
As long as they have a ruler that's got that diagonal edge, down the diagonal line usually helps.
Right, to do the half square triangles.
Right.
Okay.
Other than that.
So the first round, 4 patches and half square triangles. So we want to see your progress of what you got going on. So give us a shout out and show us what you have going on. And if you have any questions, give us a call. We're making the same quilt, so we maybe can help you. Thanks so much, and y'all have a great day. Happy sewing.
Bye-bye.